selling custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise through platforms like Printful and Redbubble. This video you will learn how to start and grow a print-on-demand business from zero even. If you have no experience, print-on-demand is one of the best ways to start an online business. With little or no upfront investment, you do not need to buy products or store inventory. You only create the design, and the platform handles everything else, including printing, packing, and shipping. Espanol, begin with the first step, choosing the right niche. Niche is your audience. Think about a group of people who share the same interests, hobbies, or identity, for example, fitness lovers, dog moms, coffee drinkers, or gamers. The more specific your niche, the better, because your designs will speak directly to that group. You want people to look at your shirt and say, "That is totally me." After choosing your niche, start creating your designs. Your designs do not have to be complex. In fact, simple often works best. A clean message, bold font, or funny quote can go a long way. Use design tools like Canva, which is free, or Adobe Illustrator if you want more control. You can also use Fiverr to hire freelance designers if you do not want to design yourself. Make sure your designs are original and fit your audience. Think about what makes them laugh, what motivates them, what they love. Show emotion or personality through your designs. That is what makes people click and buy. Once you have your designs, sign up for a print-on-demand platform. Popular choices include Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, Printify, and Zazzle. These platforms let you upload your design, choose what product to place it on, and then list it for sale. They take care of the hard part like printing, shipping, and returns, so you can focus on growing your brand. Now it is time to set up your product listings. This part is important. Your product title, description, and tags help people find your items. Use keywords that match what your audience would type into the search bar. For example, if you are selling a shirt for dog moms, use keywords like dog mom shirt, funny pet lover tea, gift for dog owner. Also create good mock-ups so people can visualize the product. Use lifestyle photos that show real people wearing or using your design. You can find mock-up tools online or use the ones provided by your print-on-demand platform. Next comes promotion. This is where most beginners struggle. Just uploading your product is not enough. You need to bring people to your store. Use social media like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or even YouTube to share your designs. Post consistently and talk to your audience. Show them your process, your story, and what your brand stands for. You can also run giveaways or partner with influencers in your niche to boost your reach. Do not worry about having a large following. Start with one platform and grow it over time. If you have a small budget, try paid ads on Facebook or Instagram. Start with just a few dollars a day and target your niche carefully. Keep testing your ads until you find what works. Another tip is to create content that helps your audience. For example, if your niche is fitness, create posts or short videos about health tips, workout ideas, and motivation. This brings people to your page and builds trust over time. Eventually, you may want to build your own website. This gives you more control and better branding. It also helps you collect emails and build a loyal customer base. Use Shopify or Ecommerce to create your online store. It is easier than you think, and you can find many tutorials online now. Let us talk about mindset. Print-on-demand is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to find what works. Some designs will fail. That is normal. Do not give up. Keep testing, learning, and